All right, starting week 6 of this program. Last month's been hit and miss for training, but I'm gonna continue on, just modify sets and percentages as I go, depending on how I feel this day. So self-regulating basically. So today we got squats, we got bench, we got some pause bench, some straight-legged deadlifts, and we'll finish up with some planks. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Go for 205. Double or triple, we'll see how I feel. Been 5 days off again, so easy does it. Oh, that's good. Moved great. I feel fresh. Lungs are not spasming or coughing anymore. This is good. Let's go. All right, 90 seconds is up. My second and final set of squats today. This is 175 for 5. That's good. Okay, bench time. These are regular touch and go bench, 3 reps, 185. All right, so I'm fresh, so I'm moving quick today. A couple more sets of those. 90 seconds. All right, time for some pause bench. Brought this down, it's supposed to be at 60 some percent. I brought it down to 58, which isn't much, but 135, set of 5 pause bench. Shoulders are tired from those 185s. Here we go. Okay, I could probably go up and wait a bit, but it's been 5 days. I'm not going to rush it. Let's do one more set of these and then off to some straight-legged deadlifts. Here we go. All right, third set of deadlifts, straight-legged. I keep my legs bent a little bit, of course, but sticking the butt out as far as you can and almost locking out the knees. There's no leg drive at all on these at all. Just straight hams and back. So set of 8. Watch the heart rate on these ones. My first set was like 142 beats per minute, which is a little too high, but I haven't trained a lot in the last 4 or 5 weeks, so conditioning, right? Okay, getting easier as I go. I'm already warmed up, but first set's always the hardest with deadlifts. I find that's pretty common on different channels I watch too. It's just a feeling. All right, let's do some pull downs. All right, last set of 10. So my weight stack only goes in 10-pound increments. So a good thick screwdriver and a 5-pound plate stuck on. Nice, you can go up into 5-pound increments. Set of 10. All right. Yeah, that works good. I never thought of that before. Okay, that's a wrap for today. I'm probably going to train tomorrow. Still modifying a little bit, but surprisingly going down a few percent on most of my lifts and maybe one set less. So yeah, it's good. It's good to be able to breathe again, not have the lung spasm, you're scared you're having a heart attack or whatever. But it's all from that nasty pneumonia going around. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.